Hi everyone, I got my Spellbinders order, and I had mentioned in a previous video haul that I wasn't going to do this, but I did. I broke down and got the hot foil system because I saw some videos using the hot foil of the month thing and how it worked with the stencils of the month. And sorry, my phone's doing the binging thing again with advertisements and stuff. Anyway, and it just looked gorgeous. It like elevated it up another level. And you know, if you buy cards from those well-known card companies and stuff, they have foil and stuff on them, and it does make them look wonderful. I will not be getting the better press. It also looks wonderful, but you know, one thing at a time. The next thing that appeals to me is the hot wax seals, the wax seals, but I did not sign up for that. So anyway, I got the machine. I'm not going to take it out of the box here. This is what it looks like. You get, I think, 2 rolls of foil in it, and well, you know what? Hang on, I will open it and see what all's in here because I think there's some actual, maybe these two um, foil plate things too. Hang on. Okay, so here's what's in it. There's this plate, which is quite heavy actually. Spellbinders Glimmer Caution Hot Surface. So I guess when you put this in the machine, it gets hot. The plug. 2 things of foil, gold and a rainbow. Registered to receive something. Okay, maybe, I don't know which one gets hot. There's like a green, well, let me take them out of the plastic. I've never used this and I've never watched a demo of it being done. Okay, this is a thin shim. This is like a rubbery shim with this on it. And there are these dies in here. This one has just a note to say hello. Oh, I love that. And a floral. So I guess this just puts the foil around these and then you color them in. But it doesn't cut it out. So I think I'd have to put that right on a card front or something. I have to watch some videos. Maybe there's instructions in here, probably. And then there's this. Oh, I think I saw somebody start this, and I thought they had this like across this somehow, but I really am not sure. I am not sure, everyone. So I'm gonna have to really look at it and see. Maybe that doesn't make sense either. Oh, maybe this is like a thing, a handle to pick it up, pick the die up off the thing. Magnetic. Oh, yep, it's magnetic. So that's probably a way to lift the hot plate up or something. So that's what came in the box. And I actually got a really good price on this, I felt like. Oh, I don't have it here. Oh, let me put you on pause again. Sorry. Okay, sorry. I don't know if it's a really good price, but it was $99.99 on sale. And I guess I get a 10% discount for being a Club 10 discount for being a club member. I'm in 4 clubs now. I'm going to show you 3 of them with this video, but I got another $9.99 off, so I paid $90 for this. And I got free shipping on this order because it ended up being over 120 or 125 or something. So that is this system, which I'm going to at some point here put back in its box because I don't have room. But I will play with it and then I'll show you how it works. So then at the same time I joined the Glimmer of the Month card front floral this month for January, and it came with Glimmer Aluminum. Ooh, goody. So that's not a color that came in with the machine, and it looks to be like a full-size roll. I don't know how much you get. 5 inches by 15 feet. That should be plenty. for several different uses, right? And it has a for you and a thanks. And on the back, I love how Spellbinders does this. It shows you, once you foil it, you can either color it with markers or whatever you want to do. But the stencil of the month works with this one, and that's why I ended up getting it. So separately, yesterday in my mail, I got these. Now I do have one other kit coming, but I didn't get it yet, and it is the uh, embossing folder of the month. Now I switched from the large, is that right? Hang on. One sec. I'm all confused. I wasn't getting the 3D before. Embossing folder of the month 2D. I think it's the same. I think I was already in that one, but I was getting the big ones, and it may still be a big one. That's still coming. Those are only $9, and then I have tax of $54. I don't remember. These are like 14 and 15, but these stencils work with the Glimmer of the Month Club this time. So then you can lay the stencils right on your foiled piece and use your inks to color it. Brilliant. Love it. So, but you can also just use the stencils as is, and it would look like this. And the sentiments in the Glimmer one are thanks and for you, but here you have the for you again, but you also have a hello lovely you could use just on the stencil. So I think that is really cool. I'm looking forward to playing with that. And then I was getting the large die of the month. I switched to the small die of the month, because I think I'll get more use out of them. And I really like this one with the two birds and how they were put. I saw somebody put this together, and they face each other. So you could use this for Valentine's and add a Valentine's sentiment or something. Make your own So Happy For You card. I did not get the stamp set either. They have a monthly stamp. They have so many monthly subscriptions, and you can get in them and then cancel them at any time, but you do get the ability to change them or add to or whatever. You get like a preview, and then you can change your mind before club members only ends on like the 5th, and then I think the 6th they open it up for new people to get in. So I did that. I changed mine, and then I was able to order these ahead of time, and this one as well. Consequently, I didn't get my regular one yet, which is the embossing folder. So it's probably coming in the next day or so. I know it billed on the 5th, on my birthday. So I can't wait to play with this. More importantly, I can't wait to play with this with the foil, because I think that's just going to be beautiful. Yeah, I like floral cards. You guys should know that by now. So that was a kit inside the box with the foil thing. Well, the foil one was. I always wondered what the difference was. It looks like it cuts it, but this will also go through a die cutting machine. Somebody let me know. It says trim to A2 card front. It doesn't say it'll work with any dies or work like dies. Yeah. It says it goes through a platinum machine and a hot foil system. So maybe this works with both. So the platinum machine is a die cutting machine. I'm going to go out on a limb and say I think this foils and die cuts. Let me know if I'm wrong. I just don't know, because I don't remember seeing a separate die that goes with it. And then this one just colors in either by itself, but maybe that would cut this out too, because this works with that. And then this is totally separate. Okay. Also, in with the foil system, I did go ahead and buy, because I got 10% off and they were on sale, the variety pack of just the metallics. So I guess I got another gold, and this looks darker. This is where does it say? Oh, this is copper. That might be the same as that, although this looks darker than that. Let me see. Curiosity. This looks more bronze, but I think it's the same. I think so. I have 2 copper and 2 gold now, but I also have a silver and this is bronze. So yeah, this has copper, gold, bronze, and silver. And I also bought or got a copper in the monthly kit. The foil kit or machine itself came with gold and rainbow, and I bought a red and a green because I thought these would be good other than the metallics for the holidays. So maybe sometime this year when I'm making Christmas cards, I can use those. We'll see what we get in the kits though, too. All right, that's all I have. Sorry for the long-winded explanations and stuff. I just am new to hot foiling. It's not something I was originally going to pick up, but I decided to. And I think I'm really going to enjoy it, and going to enjoy it. And sorry, I'm kind of off my desk here. And I am seriously considering the wax seal one too. I don't know yet. I haven't, not 100% sold on that one just yet because I'm not sure if I'd use it as much as I will use the hot foil system. So jury's still out on that, but I've seen some really cute uses for that for embellishments and things. So I don't know. I have enough stuff, right? Okay. Yes. Tell me, I have enough stuff. All right, everyone, that's my haul for today. Unless something unexpected comes in the mail, I have some other things ordered previously that some have shipped and some have not. So, but some of the ones that shipped, there wasn't tracking available yet. Sometimes things magically appear, so we'll see. All right, everyone, have a great day. Hugs, love, and peace. Stay safe out there.